Hey guys, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you. We are at Dreams Come True Railroad. Okay, so now Artie's been here, Frank's been here, and now Plumber's been here. We're getting ready to ride the train, and I think there's Mr. Dave bringing the train around. And we will be riding a train, and we'll see you in a little bit.
Clubs and people that have these trains that like to bring them.
Because
yeah, I mean that's what unload area. This is one of the trailers that carries the locomotives and train cars.
And if we put in a cabin, they can have full on like event weekends and rent out the place.
Cabin, we'll just get the Amish sheds. Charles, we got to go in and sign some papers first, but yes. As soon as we go in and sign papers. Filming me, filming you.
Come see me, you want to go ride the train.